So Elon Musk has stood up for the Dogecoin community and called out Binance CEO, asking about the Doge situation. And this is what I'll talk about in this video. But before coming to it, let's take a peek into crypto prices for a minute. So as most cryptos have been trading sideways for several days, the overall crypto market has finally started surging again. It is currently standing around the $2.6 trillion mark. As I have stated before, it is highly likely, considering everything, that the crypto market will continue an upward trend. In addition, despite the short-term drop, the crypto market has experienced a nearly $2 trillion inflow over the last 12 months, bringing the market cap from $566 billion during November 2020 to its current level of $2.6 trillion. So it appears that the crypto market isn't much affected by this recent retracement, and perhaps it will grow more and reach new highs. With that being said, let's see how Bitcoin has been trading amid this struggling period for the crypto market. So after seeming to be on the verge of regaining ground above the 60K level over the weekend, the price of Bitcoin has finally increased again. Bitcoin is currently consolidating around 56K to 58K levels, and it appears that Bitcoin is finally getting out of consolidation. And coming to Ethereum, it attempted a recovery wave above the $4,300 resistance zone, and it was finally successful at it. And as of now, Ethereum is back around the $4,400 level. And seeing its technical analysis, it is expected that if Ethereum manages to close above $4,500, it can get a decent increase in the near term. Now let's come to the most important part of this video. So it appears that Twitter has become the stage for yet another crypto-related conflict due to persistent challenges with Dogecoin withdrawals on Binance. And in this regard, Elon Musk came to Twitter to raise concerns about Doge withdrawals on Binance. Tagging Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, Musk stated that what's going on with Binance's Doge customers. He further added that this situation is sounding shady to him. And soon after Musk's tweet, Binance's official Twitter account responded to him, arguing that there's nothing shady with the issue, and cited their recent tweet stating that the root cause is a technical issue during the recent upgrade process that caused old transactions to be resent to 1,674 users. And as a result of the issue, some Binance users have received old transactions, while some became unable to withdraw their Dogecoin. And talking about this issue, Binance further explained that they have asked those that receive the old transactions to return them, but are aware that select users are having trouble accessing some of the wallets. The firm went on to say that the issue occurred exclusively on Binance, as the platform has a different technical wallet set up for Dogecoin. And in order to fix the problem, Binance will have to rebuild the wallet entirely, which could take another week or so. However, after more than a week of turmoil, the Dogecoin community is still having withdrawal issues on the exchange. However, Elon Musk was not satisfied with Binance's response and continued attacking the exchange, stating that Doge holders using Binance should be protected from errors that are not their fault. In addition, Musk cited a thread by Dogecoin developers explaining that the issue started a bit over a year ago. Subsequently, Binance CEO Zhao joined the thread, stating that the problem is related to the latest Doge wallet and they are in communications with the developers. Zhao also fired back at Musk by referring to a post by The Guardian reporting that Tesla software experienced a glitch in October, prompting safety recall for roughly 12,000 vehicles in the United States. And mimicking Elon Musk's comment to Zhao wrote, "What happened here?" Seeing this war of words between Elon Musk and Binance, I think that the history appears to have repeated itself, as it is evident that Elon Musk is not going to stop his support for and its community. Besides, I think that it was right for Musk to point out the mistake of Binance, since Doge traders have been suffering and still having withdrawal issues on the exchange for over a week now. Anyway, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think Elon Musk did the right thing and there is something shady behind this issue? Let me know in the comment section below. With that being said, let's come to some important updates from the crypto world before talking about Dogecoin's price analysis. So after declaring Bitcoin as legal tender and announcing plans to build a Bitcoin city, El Salvador is preparing to issue Bitcoin-backed bonds. And right after the country's president announced plans for Bitcoin-backed bonds, El Salvador's U.S. dollars-backed bonds hit a new all-time low. However, it appears that El Salvador's dedication towards Bitcoin and blockchain technology in the financial sector may be difficult to understand for investors who prefer a more traditional approach to investing in assets. Similarly, the IMF is also against El Salvador's decision of adopting Bitcoin as a legal tender and issuing Bitcoin-backed bonds. The IMF recently issued a statement stating that Bitcoin should not be utilized as legal tender in El Salvador. The monetary authority stated that owing to Bitcoin's considerable price volatility, its use as legal tender poses major concerns to consumer protection, financial integrity, and financial stability. It also stated that Bitcoin's use creates budgetary contingent liabilities. Similarly, El Salvador's request for technical support in implementing Bitcoin was likewise declined by the World Bank in June, citing environmental and transparency issues. But I think that El Salvador's president is quite hopeful for Bitcoin and using it as a legal tender, so he may not back down from his decision. Now coming to the next update, it's been officially reported that U.S. Senate candidate Katie Britt is taking Bitcoin and other cryptos as campaign contributions. Her official website katiebrittforsenate.com now has a dedicated page for users to contribute donations in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and USC using BitPay. And after this announcement, Katie Britt stated that she is delighted to announce that her election campaign now takes crypto contributions, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. She further added that this is only a modest sign of her overall unwavering support for the crypto ecosystem, blockchain technology, and proof of work. So I think it is great news for crypto enthusiasts since support from a prominent politician and probably future senator will assist in the growth of the crypto sector in the long term. And this will also help in the widespread adoption of cryptos. And talking about crypto adoption, according to a recent survey by financial insights firm Piments, the majority of multinational corporations are currently adopting at least one type of crypto asset. The survey gathered data from executives of 250 cross-border enterprises operating including banks and fintech startups in different countries to investigate crypto and blockchain adoption. And according to its findings, almost 58% of multinational companies use at least one type of crypto, with Bitcoin being the most popular at 31%. Meanwhile, stablecoins are used by 29% of cross-border firms and Ethereum is used by 24%. So it is quite clear that the mainstream acceptance of crypto continues, and I think it is extremely essential given that it is one of the crypto industry's primary objectives. And on the other hand, Indian banks are warning consumers against investing in crypto while the Indian government is preparing to draft crypto legislation for debate in Parliament next week. According to the Economic Times, over the last 2 to 3 weeks, major Indian banks have issued emails to customers warning them about the risks of investing in crypto. It appears that the bankers are concerned that crypto exchanges' strong advertising strategies do not appropriately represent the risks of investing and may entice investors in. On the other hand, while Indian crypto exchanges continue to face banking issues, they are optimistic that positive legislation will be enacted that would establish clear banking laws. The crypto bill in India is likely to be debated in Parliament's winter session, which begins on November 29. And according to recent reports, while crypto may be banned from being used for payments, it may be permitted to be traded as an asset. All in all, it is highly likely that the Indian authorities will regulate crypto as an asset class. And as we are done with the updates, let's see how Dogecoin has been trading. So Dogecoin has been stuck in a downtrend for most of November, and with investors choosing safe havens like the Japanese yen and greenback, the trend weighed on Doge. And this accelerated the correction to the downside these past few days. And now as the dollar takes a breather, it appears that the bulls are seeing their chance to kick the uptrend back into gear and buy into Dogecoin price action. I think that the bulls' new game plan is to wait for momentum to build up at around 18 or 20 cents for the start of the next uptrend. And this is what I have explained in my recent videos, since Dogecoin's technical analysis indicates that it can go as low as 18 cents before heading towards an upward movement. In addition, seeing Elon Musk coming in support of Dogecoin yet again, I think that Doge will show some strength here. Anyway, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think Dogecoin is going to rebound in the coming days? Let me know in the comment section below. And this is it for today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Goodbye. Take care.